Hi, I'm Beth and this is Michaela and we are members of the Frankston High School Eco Team. Last term we spoke to you all at the Sustainability Assembly about ending the use of single-use plastics at Frankston High School and taking all rubbish home. We really do need to eradicate rubbish at our school for the benefit of all our futures. So far, we have been so impressed with the number of students that are actively participating in this campaign by taking their rubbish home and limiting their use and reliance of single-use plastics.
This can be done through bringing a new lunch to school, through putting your food in containers and taking your waste home in it, encouraging sustainable switches at home and encouraging your peers to do the same. With the incredible progress we are already seeing, we are hoping to remove some school bins once we return from lockdown. This will help the environment but also save the school money. This money we save can instead be redirected to facilities and resources for your learning, ultimately working towards our overall goal of being a zero-waste school.
Let's make this change together and remember to take your rubbish home, or even better, not bring it in the first place. Thank you.